students. In today's video of standard 6th mathematics, we are going to learn division of decimal fractions. In one video, we have seen that this method of division, that is first fraction, suppose 5 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 3 is there. First fraction we will write as it is, then we will give here multiplication sign and then take reciprocal of second fraction, that is 3 upon 2. Then we will multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So numerators are 5 into 3 upon 7 into 2. So multiplication is 5 3s are 15 and 7 2s are 14. So division of these two fraction is 15 upon 14. But now we will see another method. Here this is division of fractions. Now we will see division of decimal fractions. 6.2 divided by 2. This 6.2 is decimal number divided by 2. So you know very well that we can convert this decimal number into common fraction also. How to convert? Here we can write 62 upon, after decimal point here one place is there. So here we can write 10 divided by 2. But 2 also we can write 2 upon 1. Yes? Remembered? Okay, good. Now here these two fractions we can divide by previous method which was given above. So here what to do? Write first fraction as it is, that is 62 upon 10. Then multiplication sign. Reciprocal of second fraction is 1 upon 2. Now we can multiply it. So 62 into 1 upon 10 into 2. So it is 62 upon 10 2s are 20. 62 ones are 62. So our fraction is 62 upon 20. But we have to convert it into decimal form. So that we have to make denominator 10 or 100 or 1000. So this 20 we can convert into 10 by dividing both where by 2. So here I can write 60 divided by 2 is 31 and 20 divided by 2 is 10. So here our common fraction is 31 upon 10. Now we can write it into decimal form. So how we will write? Here on this 1 0 is there. So while writing this we can write 3.1. Means before one place decimal point will be there from right side. So it is 3.1. Got it? Yeah, it's very simple. Only whatever basic things we learn in previous videos, that we have to revise again. Multiplication of this, division of these two common fractions, and then conversion from common fraction to decimal and decimal to common fraction, that we have to follow again. Okay. Now we will see here one more example, that is 3.4 divided by 5. See. Now we can write it. This 3.4 we can write 34 upon 10 divided by this 5 we can write, 5 is whole number. So we can write it 5 upon 1. Okay, so our example is 34 upon 10 divided by 5 upon 1. Now we can write it in multiplication form. How we will write? 34 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Reciprocal of second fraction. That is 1 upon 5. Now multiply numerators and denominators. 34 ones are 34 and 10 5s are 50. That is 34 upon 50. Now we can convert this 50 by multiplying 2 to 100. So how we will do? 34 into 2 divided by 50 into 2. So 34 2s are 68 divided by 100. Now here it is common fraction. We can convert it into decimal form. How we will convert? Here on this one, 2 zeros are there. So we can give decimal point before 2 places from right side. So here we can write it into form of decimal 0.68. This is our answer. Yeah, true. It's very simple. Next video we will see more examples of division of decimal fractions. Then you will understand it better. Yes, I know. Now also you got it very well. Good children. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.